We spend a lot of our energy and our focus on eliminating stress for our clients, right? That's one of the key things that we do. Can you share a specific way or a specific example of how you feel like you eliminate that stress?
The biggest part of my days are recare, preventive maintenance. We really promote that with Reach, and it relieves the stress in so many different ways. Offices don't realize how many things are right on the brink of being problematic and possibly shutting down operatories. Hopefully, never shutting down the office, but it can take it to that level. And so, our preventive maintenance program, going in there and showing them. I always like the analogy of the doctor patient analogy. They provide their patients with a treatment plan. They get to plan things out. They're going to take their patient and go through everything they need to do in their mouth. We do the same thing for the office. We plan everything out that we recommend on a timely manner. So it could be from initially repairing stiff tubings to stiff upholstery. Let's plan that expensive upholstery out. Let's keep it on the radar that that needs to be done because it's rock hard. And offices don't realize that. They don't realize these things that we're pointing out. But once we do and realize also that each one of the things that we point out could be a crisis situation, but we're not having it in that crisis situation anymore because we're recommending it. They're following through. They trust us as their technicians, and we're taking that stress out of all those little repairs that could be an operatory down, and we know how expensive that can be.